Here we have the current stock market analysis for Faraday Future Intelligent Electric Incorporated, stock ticker FFIE. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful in your trading, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts below in the comments section so that other traders can find this information more easily on the platform. So as we can see here, the share price action is starting to move higher. And this was sort of brought to my attention because a lot of people on YouTube are long this stock and looking for possible reasons to believe that this name could be in the process of a longer term turnaround. As most people probably are aware, this is a stock that has, got a lot of attention on YouTube, and it has done nothing but move in the downside direction after all of these financial YouTubers gave this buy recommendation. So the real question at this point is whether or not share prices have actually found a bottom here. And if we're looking at the shorter term time frames, one area that you could possibly point to if you are long this stock would be this area right around $2.25. So I'll go ahead and mark that in here. So to the downside, this is now the main level of support that you would want to be watching. If you do see a break below here, what that would tell you is that the longer term downtrend is still in place. Overall, there's really not much reason to believe that that's not the case, but as long as we do maintain this support zone here, there's possibly some reason to have some hope and believe that the stock will be moving higher. So to the top side, what we're really looking at is a near-term resistance level, which comes in at $2.94. And overall, what this does is this gives us a share price movement here that can be analyzed using Fibonacci retracement studies. So if we look at this price action here on this basis, we can see that the stock has already lost support at the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement zone. That would essentially be this area here. We did see a bit of a bounce here, and we did also see a little bit of a trading volume bounce here as well. So these are positive signals, and that could possibly suggest that what you might be looking at here is a false breakout to the downside. But the fact that we're already starting to form a bit of a lower high here does lead me to believe that that's probably not the case. So near term here, this resistance level comes in at $2.79. And as we can see here, this does create now a sequence of lower highs for this stock within this most recent trend wave movement. So overall, we are still focused on the downside. If we take a look at the indicator reading on the shorter term time frames, we do see some evidence here of bullish trend wave momentum. But what I would say about this is that this is a very steep slope on this trend line. And these are the types of trend lines that tend to be unsustainable. We don't really see these types of trend lines hold up for very long, and they're very easy to break from the top side. So there is still positive trend wave movement here, but I would suspect that if we retest those prior lows that we're seeing at the break of the 78.6% Fibonacci level, this area down here. In other words, if we see share prices continue to move lower and then retest that roughly $2.40 price low that was seen down here, I would expect this overall trend reading here to then start to break to the downside. So that would mean that there is not actually any bullish momentum that is underlying this stock. So, overall, what this does start to look to me what this looks like to me is just a bit of a pump, a bit of a share price pump. And these are the types of things that can be seen with these stocks that are famous on the internet. I mean, it's just incredibly common. Once we start to see, a lot of social media posts, there are ways of tracking that, meme stock trackers and things like that. There is a lot of data about tracking these types of stocks, and when we start to see upward momentum, it's very easy to put some money into the stock and then quickly pull it out of there, and that does tend to be how these stocks tend to work. There really isn't anybody on YouTube that's a very good stock trader, in my opinion. I mean, these people are people that just have no experience at all, and I think that they're just looking for something, some way to make a YouTube video. It could just as easily be any other topic. I don't even think it needs to be a financial topic. So, it's not a good idea to to listen to what these people have to say, and then to put real money at work in these positions, because almost all the time these lose money. I mean, I really can't think of a successful meme stock, to be honest. Palantir sort of became a meme stock, and that stock is moving higher, but I guess that's the exception to the rule or something like that, because these stocks just typically do not perform very well. And this most recent upside price movement that we have seen here, I really wouldn't expect that to be sustainable. I mean, if we look at the longer term here, and we can just look at where prices were the last time I covered this stock, would be up here. We've lost a full dollar, a full dollar really in share price value, and that's significant when you're dealing with a stock that only costs $2 or $3. And then if we just continue to move back here, look at all these upside price movements that lasted just a very short period of time. You've got this spike into 1140, and then just quickly you're reversing much lower. So you see this prior spike high into $11 that occurred August 22nd, and then by August 26th, you've already retraced 2/3 of that move to the downside. I mean, you've already lost most of that gain. So these really aren't sustainable stocks, and the people that are kind of pumping this price move recently, everybody's getting excited. These clickbait YouTubers are getting excited about this price move here, but look at how far down on the chart we have to move just to find this small size price move. So these price moves are fine if you somehow manage to get in at 225. I just don't think that most people are doing that. You would really have to be monitoring your trading station all day. You really have to expert level catch the low, and even there, I mean, a lot of these stocks are unpredictable. There was no reason to believe that share prices were going to bounce off of 225. I mean, there is no price history out here. So it's not as if there was some, piece of evidence that would have led people to believe that share prices were going to bounce here. And for that reason, it really just looks like more of a short-term pump. And it didn't last very long. And now the people that got in at the wrong level are now losing money. So here's the current stock market update for Faraday Future Intelligent Electric, stock ticker FFIE. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market, lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.